Hey fam, Gene here. Just wanted to do a real quick video on the Soundaktor I found. Thought you guys would find it very interesting. Guys, is that the Soundaktor that we're all talking about disconnecting? Because I know I disconnected mine from the fuse in the back, but I'm wondering if you look at it, it is, because here's a tubing. So I'm guessing that's what the speaker, that's the little piping. It's almost like a port tube. And if you follow it up, better. Yeah, that's the Soundaktor, because look, there's the port. And I don't know if anybody knew that, but basically makes that sound and puts it into the cabin here with us. So mine's disconnected. As far as disconnecting it, in the future, if nobody wants to pull fuses, you can actually just disconnect it from the back, I think. Hopefully it doesn't throw an engine code. But there it is, guys. Wow. I've always read this on the forums. We've all discussed it on if people like the way it sounds and how to disconnect it. But here it is. Interesting. What else is back here? I don't see anything else. That's the wire that goes to it. So there it is. Soundaktor, guys. And there's a harness right here. Can be disconnected. I would have done this versus pulling a fuse. And here's everything back in place. As you can see, it's completely covered. But let me show you this. But with that centerpiece out, there's the port, you guys. It's right underneath that plastic. Didn't know if anybody knew that, but I found it pretty interesting. And I just wanted to share this with everybody just in case you guys didn't know. Pretty interesting, right? Guys, I just wanted to share that with you. I just thought it was pretty interesting that I finally got to see what the Soundaktor was. But if you guys have any questions or any comments about the Soundaktor, please post them below. Alright guys, until the next video, peace.